Hello students, this is Aswant, your maths teacher, and welcome back to this video classes. So in the previous videos we completed verification of properties for rational numbers. So in our number system mainly we have 5 properties. What they are? They are closure property, commutative property, associative property, existence of identity, and existence of inverse. Okay, so for this collection of rational numbers, they are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And the collection of rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication. And the collection of rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication only. And what is the additive identity? That is 0. What is the multiplicative identity? That is 1. So these two are existence of collection of rational numbers. In the same way, when you come to the inverse, what is the additive inverse of a by b? It is minus a by b. What is the multiplicative inverse of a by b? That is b by a. And this minus a by b and b by a, these two are exist of collection of rational numbers. So these are the 5 most important properties. Now we are going to talk about the distributive property for rational numbers. Now what is this distributive property? This distributive property is a little difficult than the other properties. Why? So in this distributive property, here we have two different operations happening together. For example, when you take this distributive property for rational numbers of multiplication over addition, here we observe two fundamental operations. One is multiplication and another one is addition. In the previous properties, we take only one fundamental operation out of the 4 fundamental operations to verify any property. But this distributive property is verified two fundamental operations. One is multiplication and another one is addition. So what is distributive property for rational numbers of multiplication over addition? So what is the mathematical condition involved in this property? Okay, so for example, if you take any 3 rational numbers a, b, c, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So this is a mathematical condition for distributive property of rational numbers of multiplication over addition. That means a into b plus c means b plus c is multiplied by a. It is equal to a into b plus a into c. So this is a mathematical condition of distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now let us verify this distributive property is satisfied for rational numbers or not. So for doing this verification, we choose any 3 rational numbers. Here I am taking a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 2 by 3 and c is equal to 3 by 4. Let us take these 3 values in the left side part of this mathematical condition. Here what is the left side part? That is a into b plus c. It is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. It is equal to. So as per the BODMAS rule, first what we simplify? BODMAS rule, the first letter is b. So b for brackets. That means first we simplify the brackets. Okay, that means first we calculate minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 9 by 12. it is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 12, it is equal to 1 by 24. So this is your answer. And take these three values in the right side part. So what is the right side part of this distributive property? That is a into b plus a into c. It is equal to a into b means 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So it is equal to, first we complete the multiplication. 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3, 1 into minus 2 by 2 into 3 6 in plus 1 into 3 3 by 2 into 4 8. So it is equal to, LCM is 24 and the numerator is minus 8 plus 9. It is equal to 1 by 24. So a into b plus c is equal to 1 by 24 and a into b plus a into c, it is also equal to 1 by 4. That means a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. That means this distributive property holds for rational number of multiplication over addition. So this is the mathematical condition, and this mathematical condition is true for rational numbers. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, and this relation will hold true for all rational numbers. Okay, let's come to the next one. So the next one is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Let us verify the collection of rational numbers satisfy this distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So what is the mathematical condition for this property? Here the mathematical condition is, for any three numbers a, b, c, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. This is the mathematical condition, mathematical relation of distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Let us verify the collection of rational numbers satisfied this condition or this relation. Let us verify. So for doing that verification, here I choose three rational numbers. A is equal to 2 by 3, b is equal to minus 4 by 5, and c is equal to 1 by 2. Now I substitute these three values the left side part of the condition, that is a into b minus c is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So simplify this. So it is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 8 minus 5 by 10. It is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 13 by 10. 2, 10, 5 times. So it is equal to minus 13 by 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay. Now let us take these three values on the right side part of the condition. Right side part is a minus b, sorry, a into b minus a into c is equal to a into b means 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 5 minus a into c 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So according to the bottommost rule, first we complete the multiplication operation. So 2 by 3 into 4 minus 4 by 5, it is equal to minus 8 by 15 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, it is equal to 2 by 6. It is equal to 2 by 6 you can written as minus 1 by 3. So it is equal to Here LCM is 15 and the numerator is minus 8 minus 5. It is equal to minus 13 by 15. Observe the two answers. Both are the same. That means, so in this example, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is also true for all rational numbers, and this relation will hold for all rational numbers. That means A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, next, the next property is distributive property of division over addition. Okay, so what is the mathematical condition for this property? So here the distributive property of division over addition. Instead of multiplication, here we are taken division. That means A divided by B plus C is equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. This is a mathematical relation of distributive property of division over addition. Let us verify this relation is true for rational numbers or not. Let us choose any three rational numbers. For our convenience, here I choose three numbers. A is equal to 16, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 2. So for our convenience, we are choosing these three values. Sir, they are the integers, but we are verifying for rational numbers now. So every integer is also a rational number. So no problem. Okay, so let us verify. Let us take these values on the left side part of the condition. That is A divided by B plus C is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 plus 2. So it is equal to 16 divided by minus 2. It is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2. It is equal to minus 8. And take these three values on the right side part of the condition. That is A divided by B plus A divided by C. It is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 plus 16 divided by 2. So it is equal to minus 4. 16 divided by minus 4, it is equal to minus 4 plus 16 divided by 2, it is equal to 8. Minus 4 plus 8, it is equal to plus 4. So here A divided by B plus C, it is equal to, we get minus 8. A divided by B plus A divided by C is equal to, we get 4. Both are thus equal? No, they are not equal. That means A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. That means not only the rational numbers, if you take any collection of numbers, distributive property not holds of division over addition. So here distributive property is not holds of division over addition. That means A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Generally, this distributive property holds for numbers on multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction only. That means A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, and A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. So with this, we discussed all the properties: closure, commutative, associative and distributive. Next, we move to the one most important thing, that is why we learn properties of numbers and how would these properties help us. Okay, so these properties are help us for easy calculation. Okay, so to understand this, here I have one example. See, calculate 2 by 5 into 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 plus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Normally, what is the approach that you would follow to calculate this total numerical expression? Generally, we are following a BODMAS rule. Why? Because here we have multiplication, subtraction and addition is there. So three fundamental operations are appeared at a time in a numerical expression. So that's why by using the BODMAS rule, we are simplify this numerical expression. So in case when you are apply that BODMAS rule here, first we complete the multiplication. That means first we calculate 2 by 5 into 3 by 7 and 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 3 by 7, it is equal to 6 by 35 minus 1 by 14 plus 3 by 7 to 3 by 5. 3 is 9 by 35. Now simplify this expression. So for simplification, first we find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 35 and 14? So 5 4 is 20 and 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14, 1 5 5, 1 3 is 3. It is equal to 490. LCM is 490 and the numerator is 84 minus 35 plus 126. So it is equal to 84 plus 126, 210 minus 35 by 490. So it is equal to 175 by 490. It is equal to 5 by 14. 35th table, 175 5 times and 490 14 times. It is equal to 5 by 14. So this is your answer. But this process is very difficult. Okay, why? We complete the multiplication and find the LCM and we complete the simplification. Okay, but when you apply the properties for doing this calculation, it completes very easy. Okay, so let us do that. Let us take the same numerical expression, 2 by 5 into 3 by 7 minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. So in this expression, observe the first and the last terms. In these two terms, you have two factors. So in the two factors, one factor is common, that is 3 by 7. Here 3 by 7 is there, here 3 by 7 is there. So there is a possibility to apply distributive property. But these two terms are not in side by side. First, we arrange these two terms side by side, then we can apply the distributive property. To interchange the terms, which property we apply? To interchange the terms, is commutative property. Okay, now apply the commutative property to second and third terms. That means I interchange the second term and the third term. So now the answer is 2 by 5 into 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 into 5 by 3 minus 1 by 14. Just here I interchange the second term to third term to second term along with the sign. Okay, now observe the first two terms. In these two terms, 3 by 7 is the common factor. Okay, now apply the distributive property. Now it is in the form of A into B plus A into C. It is equal to A into B plus C. Here A is equal to 3 by 7 and B is equal to 2 by 5 and C is equal to 3 by 5. Sorry. C is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, now apply this distributive property here. So that is equal to 3 by 7 into 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 4. So it is equal to 3 by 7 into 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. It is equal to 5 by 5 minus 1 by 14. So it is equal to 5 by 5. It is equal to 1. 1 into 3 by 7. 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. So it is equal to 14 is LCM and the numerator is 6 minus 1. It is equal to 5 by 14. This is your answer. How it is easy? So here also you get that 5 by 14. Here also we get the 5 by 14. So this is the importance of properties. Okay, so when you have any difficult calculation, by applying these properties you can calculate. It's very easy.